Like that.
That's it. Good. There you are. Okay, cookie. You put it with this thing inside for the we don't cook.
One of the non-compliance by the cage farmers was that they were putting the cages too near the shore of the lake. And you know there the water is polluted, you know that. And that pollution, removing that pollution takes time. And secondly, the bottom is also very shallow. So the distance between the cages and the bottom of the lake is too short. So it tends to have depletion of oxygen over time, especially when the water is not that fresh. So they were required to take the cages a little bit inshore, no, outshore, so that they can have proper supply of oxygen for the fingerlings and for the fish, so that we don't experience such a thing again.
Ayer madongo. Kanyo benti madongo.